Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Babaji, I have a very important question. Please answer me with full detail. What are the ghosts and apparitions, and can they harm us? Ghosts and apparitions are not the two things. These are one thing said in two ways, or two words you can say. Ghosts and apparitions are not the two things. They are the souls who didn't get the liberation and also could not get the body too. Nature didn't provide them a body of 5 elements, but still they have astral body and reason body along with them. Astral body consists of thoughts, previous karmas, emotions just as anger, hate, love, attachment, greed, ego, desires of various types. These are constantly revolving around you very actively, and these can harm a person or persons mentally as well as physically too. Generally, these are souls which had to left their bodies in compulsion before time of maturity of body period. Just as, for example, murder, accident, suicide are punishmental. Punishment means one who made some crime very cruelly, and justice ordered him for hanging. That also becomes ghost or apparition. These souls are called ghosts or apparitions, which had to left the body before the time of maturity of this body. In this world in which we are living is three-dimensional world, but they live in fourth dimension. They can move everywhere, wherever they want to go without any obstruction. They can cross the wall, shutter, door, or any other material object. Oftenly, they don't harm anybody. Oftenly, I am saying, oftenly, they don't harm anybody without reason. They only harm somebody with some reason behind it. But they harm the person whom they hate, somebody with some reason. But they can harm. They can harm. I am saying it again. They can harm. They can also benefit you. Not only harm, but can also benefit you. But this is a very secret subject. Very secret subject. It shouldn't be disclosed publicly. I have given you a complete answer. If you want to ask something else extra without it, then you can contact me again also. Thank you.